Hello. Today is 24th January 2025 and we have brought the daily horoscope of all zodiac signs. Know what special today has brought for you. What are the stars of luck indicating and what things will be beneficial for you to keep in mind? Please note that this information is obtained from the internet and the channel does not claim its accuracy. Aries, today will be full of enthusiasm and energy. Your courage and confidence will increase. Your hard work and dedication will be appreciated in the workplace. There are chances of success in money-related matters. Travel plans can be made, but be cautious and take care of health. There is a possibility of getting some good news in the family. Taurus, the day can be a bit challenging for you. Avoid any kind of debate and listen to others carefully. Be cautious in financial matters and avoid wasteful expenditure. Employed people have to focus on their work. Be patient and restrained to maintain peace at home. Gemini, today will be a mixed day. There may be a difference of opinion with a colleague in the workplace, but be patient and work wisely. Family life will be pleasant. Be cautious about health and pay special attention to food. This time is favorable for students. You will focus on studies. Cancer, today you can make a new beginning. Pending tasks will be completed and new opportunities can be found. Employed people are getting signs of progress. Family life will be happy. There will be positive changes in love life. You will get a chance to spend time with a close friend. Leo, your confidence and leadership ability will pay off today. Seniors will praise you in the office. Financial condition will be strong and good investment opportunities can be found. Happiness will remain in family life. Spouse's support will increase your self-confidence. Virgo, the day will be normal for you. Do not rush to take any decision. Work with patience and wisdom. Health will improve. You will get the fruits of hard work in the workplace, but new responsibilities may increase. Spend time with family and strengthen relationships. Libra, today will be auspicious for you. An old dispute can be resolved. There are signs of monetary gains. Traders will make profits and may get new contracts. Family life will be pleasant. There will be sweetness in love relationships. Do yoga and meditation for mental peace. Scorpio, your work may be hindered, but be patient and trust your plans. The financial situation will be normal, but avoid unnecessary expenditure. You may meet an old friend. The atmosphere in the family will be pleasant. Be cautious about health. Sagittarius, today will be a beneficial day for you. There are signs of progress in job and business. You will get new opportunities, take advantage of them. There may be a possibility of travel. There will be a happy atmosphere in family life. Time is favorable for students. Capricorn, the day is going to be busy for you. You may get new responsibilities in the workplace. There will be profit in business and time is favorable for partnership. Spend time with family and friends. Be health conscious and avoid stress. Aquarius, your confidence will increase. Stay focused on your goals. There may be a possibility of promotion for employed people. The financial situation will be strong. There will be a new energy in love life. There will be a happy atmosphere in the family. Pisces, the day will be auspicious for you. Pending work will be completed. Health will improve and the mind will be calm. You will get success in the workplace. You will get an opportunity to spend time with family. Time is favorable for students. If you find this information useful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Your participation is an inspiration for us. Disclaimer: this information has been collected from the internet. The channel does not claim its completeness or accuracy. Thank you.